Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a user from your PS5 console. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account, the one that you don't want to delete, and then navigate over to Settings, which is the gear icon here in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and then scroll down to the fourth option from the top, Users and Accounts. Select that, and then go all the way to the bottom to where you see Users. You will see the different users that have logged in or have been added to this specific console that we're on now, and then you're going to see a trash can icon to the right of that user. Now, when you select the trash can to delete and remove this user or account from the PS5, it will remove all of their save data, screenshots, video clips, everything will be removed from this PS5. It'll say, are you sure you want to continue? If that's the case, go ahead and select OK. It'll then remove that user, and now as you can see, the only one here on the PS5 is my normal, regular active account. This is great for people who have family members who are no longer using the console, maybe people in relationships who have separated, no longer use the console together. This is great to be able to go in here and remove them from the console. Now, this does not delete or remove their Sony account. If they have a Sony account, that's on the Sony servers, and that will not be removed. Only the user profile or account here on the PS5 itself. So that's how you delete and remove a user on PS5. If this helps you out, don't forget to help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more great tech tips just like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.